Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today my location is in the New River area in St. Elizabeth, right here in New River, right at the shop right here on a Sunday. This is where you get the best steam fish, mean like the river fish. Yeah man, yes, you need to come check out the place in New River. Best steam fish on a Sunday. Them places are full up. Sunday daytime you can't even find a place to park. Fish done to order. If you want it spicy or not, this is the best place to come on a Sunday morning in the New River area. So take a tour in the New River area. So if you come in this area, this is what you see. Body I ride for them bicycle. Bad na them bright colors. Yeah man, so big up all of the New River people them. No place like Jamaica, place like home. This is also an update also in the New River area. 2024. Big up yourself, mommy. Always there on a Sunday. Trying to get her right to go to church. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Anyone who watch from Yard and Brand, you can big up on yourself. Yeah, man. I'm talking to you. Yeah, man. I know you're watching the video right now. So big up yours. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up yourself all the time. And thanks a lot for the support on this channel. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. And thank you all for taking the journey with your tour guide, Fire Reid. So if you've never been to New River before, this is it. Ha. Enjoy it. Tell us that Jamaica nice, you know, man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nice, can done. The road condition is not 100%, but as we say, we don't know when it's going to change in Jamaica with the road condition. Don't know when, but if you want a steam fish to eat on Sunday, one of the best steam fish, them river fish, this is the place you all need to visit. Yeah man, see that mommy there on the wash out him clothes them on the Sunday. Yeah, big up yourself, mommy. Yeah man, so big up yourself. Big up all of the mothers them in the place. Hard working mothers them. Big up yourself. Father too. A lot of people forget the father them too, but you have a lot of good fathers out there. So big up all the fathers them same way. Big up yourself. So if you ever visit this area, you can leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. Also, when you're in the New River area, it's about roughly about 10 minutes drive from Santa Cruz town, because it depends on the road condition. So you have to give and take, you know. boss getting fish politician gone out with them fish. No matter where in Jamaica, you'll always find some beautiful houses. No matter where you think, you have some beautiful houses in Jamaica. Very, very beautiful. Lots of people coming in. Also, you can see a police vehicle circling the area. It's not a bad area. But you know, police are always all about it. Always about in Jamaica. Taking a Sunday ride. Big up all the peace officer, then big up on yourself. Yeah, man, everything good, you know? Nice. Yeah, man, that's the peace officer them stop me and say me good, you know? Yeah, man, big up all the peace officer them. One love and one heart. So this are the countryside in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, country. Can get a nice view up in the Reid. I think up there is the Reid mountain area. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.